First clean out of the year. Fish are doing well. Move-in process. This is all the material that we use. So we'll fill up all these tubs with our cleanout pumps that you can see down there. We've got these 50-foot hoses, and then we actually use these tubs to store water. What up guys, it's Will with Just Add Water. We're out here doing our first Pond Spring cleanout. You can see Clay and Tony behind me. They are doing step one, and that's an inspection. So we turn the feature on, you can see everything's running well. It's been running for a few minutes, and now we're gonna go through, we're gonna make sure no settling has happened. So we're just kind of looking at every inch of our liner, make sure we're not leaking, losing water anywhere like that. So that's step one. We're super excited to get our season underway. Follow along. So a big part of this inspection process is we come through and we look at all of our liner here. So especially if you have a ground cover like this, it kind of bleeds over into your pond and is doing that. The worst possible thing that could happen is it's gonna pull liner down. Doesn't happen all the time, but we've seen it before. So that's what we do during this. We expose all of this. We check our little wrinkles like this guy. Follow them in there. Make sure everything's well above water level, so when we leave, your pond works. So we got Clay up here, he's flushing the stream. Connor's over here double checking stuff. Customer said we were losing a little bit of water, so Connor thinks he's found it, so he's following all this liner and then rebuilding that section. Caesar.
You can, like, see
Hi. Hello. Hello, Caesar.